Morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Well, I don't know if we're live there yet. YouTube. Well, why can't I change my? Oh, I don't know. All right. Are we live? Let's see. Go live. Yeah. Okay. Good morning. I believe I'm live on TikTok and YouTube. And good morning, Sanique. And good morning, Taraya Edwards. Yeah, I believe I actually am live. Let's see. Now, let's see if we can get us live on Instagram. Oh, shoot, fire. How do I thought I already had that set up. Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Okay. You are now live. Okay. We're live on Instagram. Just testing everything out. Well, today we're actually going to set you guys up for some trades later for market open. Now, how do I know I'm live on Instagram? Let's see. The safety trade. Let's see what we got going on. Yeah, that doesn't look right. For you, Reels audio. How do I know? Good morning, everybody. Active now. Well, that's weird. Well, I guess I'm live on Instagram. I have no idea. Let's see over here. How do I even know the comments then? Well, what's up, everybody on Instagram? I have no idea. Eventually, I'll figure that shit out. Morning, everybody on TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, soon to be, and we're almost there, X and Facebook Live. I have no idea. Whatever. Hi. Let me see. Who do we have everywhere? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Manula, good morning. Manula. I think we're all set. So we're good. All right. Let's get things rolling before we get going. These are a few trades I have open. I'm going to be trying to call out for you guys a few more trades. This is a NAS buy I did on the live. This is a gold buy we did. I'll explain that one too. This is an AUD USD trade that I'm waiting on. Annoying. It still hasn't gone positive yet, but it will. All right. Now, what we got going on is, let's get the legal shit out of the way. Negative. Let's go back this way then. We are the only trading system in the world that has the United States of America trademark. Class 41. Coaching in the field of stock trading, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. It is signed, sealed, and delivered. This is the actual registered number. This is the date. We're coming up on our 1-year anniversary. That's crazy. And there it is. Please understand that this is a legally protected trading program. Please understand that if you do something right enough, long enough, the end results are 100% predictable. For instance, for example, if you work out, eat right, do some cardio, train, and do a good diet for 1 year, you're going to be healthier. If you do the safety trade system for, I don't know, however fast you catch on, a week, a month, a year, 5 years, the end results are 100% predictable. And this is one of our rules, but we'll get back to that later. Also, please understand we have a legal disclaimer, not a financial advisor. No one with this channel is. Conduct your own due diligence. You're adults, act like it. I trade demo unless otherwise noted. You trade demo. We trade only the green up arrow and the red down arrow. Last but definitely not least, the old ways we were all taught to trade, like fib retracement, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, all of these ways, none of that works. None of that works. Don't believe me? Well, here's an entire article explaining it. Studies have shown that less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. They're quoting Dave Ramsey, but that's actually from a study, 14-year study. Almost everyone who attempts to trade fails, according to Dave Ramsey. 85% of traders quit within the first 3 years of trading. So if all those other ways fail, then what works? Well, you happen to be in the right spot. The safety trade system works. This right here works. Very simple, very easy, made for beginners. Please type yes if you understand that the old ways of trading fail you and have failed 99% of all traders. Please type a yes if you understand that I'm not a financial advisor and you guys are adults. Please type a yes if you understand that this is a legally NDA protected and every other way humanly possible protected system. Thank you, Manula. Good morning, J-Flow. Let's go. J-Flow's ready to get some trades. Let's go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and find us some trades for the market open later. And I know some of you trade. I'll move this over here for you. Some of you trade. Let me see where we're at on this one. Cryptos and stuff, they never close. That's not what we're talking about. Yeah, we should be good here. We're talking about finding trades for Oh, you know what? I don't think we even need that anymore, but we'll put it up there anyways. We're finding trades for market open on everything other than crypto. Crypto trades 24/7. You know, they're thinking about expanding the New York Stock Exchange hours now. They're going to expand it. Okay. Good morning, Mike Jones. What's up, Mike? What's up, Applauser? All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and make some call outs. We're going to start with the big boys up here. US 30. All right, let's take a look at US 30, see what we got going on the micro level. So let's see where she's going to. 10-second. Play any sell stop you can on US 30 from 5-second sell stops to 1 hours. And yes, you can play the 5-second charts. My system works on anything from 1 second to monthly and longer. If we can get it up there, chart it. Morning, Sam. I am. Blessed morning, Orlando. Morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitch. Soon to be Facebook and X added to that. Just a few more days on each. Play any sell stop till the 1 hour blue line is hit on US 30. That's 5 seconds through 1 hour. Now, after that, might want to be looking for something a little more happy. You can look into buying, there you go, 12 hour. 12-hour daily buy stop, 12-hour daily buy stop, US 30. 12-hour daily buy stop, not a financial advisor, demo trade only. I would look to put the buy stop somewhere around here, 42,367.8. Okay. Da, 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 da. NAS 100. Buy stop to the 1 second blue line. Yes, system works on 1 second charts. 30-second, 1 minute. All right, let's see where she's going to. Is it going to go that low? 5 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute. All right. Play any sell stop. NAS, and I'm sure SPX is the same, but let's check it. Already there. Ooh, I love the sell. Love the sell for NAS. Play any sell stop. 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute till the 3 minute blue line is hit on NAS. When market opens, play any sell stop till the 3 minute blue line is hit on NAS. I actually like this trade. I'm not a big fan of the sells with indices, but that's a nice one. That'll definitely come around for you. Not a financial advisor. I'd put a sell stop in somewhere around here. If you don't know what a sell stop, it's a future pending order. If you don't know what the actual sell is, what it looks like on my system, buy the system, or go back and watch some YouTube videos. Over 2,000 YouTube videos. 20,352 sell. NAS 100. Oanda is the broker. I love any 3 minutes, so any sell, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute to the 3 minute blue line of NAS. I like any sell until that's hit for US 30 and SPX because we trade those as one. All right. Let's go to the high time frames for you. Buy again. Buy again. 4-hour buy. Daily buy. 4-hour daily buy. Okay. That's NAS. SPX. Still like it. Play any SPX sell until the 30-minute blue line is hit. If you don't like the smaller time frames, let's get you something a little bit higher up. Daily, almost ready for our daily to pop. Daily buy stop SPX. Right here. Now, if you guys want to know a little bit longer, sell monthly. We need it to reset. We need SPX, NAS, and US 30 to come back down. I fully suspect you'll see wherever we're at now, 5,800, you'll see it come down or should come down to at least 4,700, probably 4,100 minimum. That's much longer term. We're not talking about monthly, so I'm just giving you a heads up over the next several months what to expect. All right. So that's US 30, NAS, and SPX. Let's head on to gold. Gold it is. Morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitch. All right, golden gold. Let's see what gold's going to roll out and do. We're going to skip over to here. Gorgeous. Damn, we just been making it up. Matter of fact, one of my trades is gold. Here, let me show you. This gold buy stop right here. This gold buy stop right here was on 9. So this is 9/6, almost coming up on 2 months old. So it's 7 weeks old or something, 6, 7 weeks old. This is a buy. This is the amount I have in there. It's a 1.0 lot size. This is gold. This is the date on 9/6/2200. So let's go back to 9/6 and see how this gold trade was called for y'all. What's up, Orlando? Of course. Yes, sir. Absolutely. We'll look at Japan 225 for you. All right. Let's take a look at gold. Boom. Let's go back to here daily. Let's go back to 9/6. Right here. And this is why, and this is so funny. Everyone overcomplicates trading. I've made trading as simple as humanly possible, including having a signal service for you guys. But watch this shit. I made trading so easy that I literally will take. Let me go over here real quick to make sure. Yeah, we can't. Okay. I took a trade out on 9/6 on gold, right? September the 6th, right here. First time this happened, this is when gold was already at its peak high. I took a 1.0 lot size strictly because my sniper, the sniper indicator right here, blue line high, pink line low. I strictly did it because it went down to the slowest spot. And that's why I took this trade. The system is that easy. Now, I need to know entries. I can't have drawdown. I need to know blah, blah, blah. When all I can tell you for a fact, and look at it over and over again, when this pink line, watch, when this pink line right here, the pink line I'm pointing to right now, when it goes down and touches this orange line, okay, whatever price is at, I don't care where price action is at. let me be clear. I don't care what's this doing. When the sniper pink line is at the bottom, by the time it comes up to the top, right? By the time this pink line comes up to the top, when it hits I usually use 90%, but by the time it comes up to the top, price action will be higher. Price itself will be above where it was when it was at its lowest. So let me be clear. So this indicator alone is predicting with near 100% accuracy. I can't say 100% accuracy because God can do whatever God wants to do. But every time you see this come down low and it hooks to come up right here, right there, without the blue coming down like this big old mess over here, I wouldn't do that. But without it coming down, yeah, every single time you'll see it go up from there. It does it again right here, by the way. Look, it's starting to come down. So there you go. There's your touch. Now, as soon as this gets down low and you're going to see that hook come over right there, as soon as you see that hook come up and this stayed flat, watch. There's the rest of your money. Fill in the gas. We have a lot of other reasons why the trade goes up, but I'm just telling you this alone on your daily or weekly chart is all you need to see happen. Type out a 7 if you guys are understanding that. You don't have to overcomplicate anything. Buy the system, get the sniper for $250 a month, and then whenever the daily pink line hits low, it'll go up towards the blue. That's it. I would stick with SPX and gold until you get your account built up, your demo account built up, but that's it. It's that simple. Oh, don't overcomplicate trading. Now, I have a lot of other reasons why this trade's going to go up. They're there just for moral support. They're there just to help you out. They're there just to build you up. Thank you, J Flo and Jones and Orlando and Tyra. I swear to God, I saw everybody's name. Good morning, Miss Edwards again. Caribbean GTR, 100% simple and accurate. Correct. Good morning, Kevin. Thank you, Manula. Thank you, Apple user. That's it. Now, we do have more reasons and all this crap. We do. That's not the issue. We have up to fucking 20, 30 reasons why this trade's going to go up. But that's all you need to know. Okay? So let's take a look at gold and see exactly what she's going to be doing. Now, we are, by the way, let's be clear. Gold has now just done another perfect daily. It went literally, as you're watching the last several days, it went up from the pink line low and it went up. And y'all made money. It just did it. But now the pink line's high, the weekly pink line's high, the daily pink line's high. Interesting. We still have a 12-hour buy, though. All right, 7-hour fill in the gap. Yeah, this is still going to go up right here. You're going to see the 7-hour pink line come up and touch the blue. This will fill in this gap on the 7-hour. This green histogram bar will close. But at any rate, very simple, very accurate. That's what it'll do. Same with the 12-hour. But it's going to have to come back down. So what do I mean? Let me draw out to you what's going to happen for gold now so you guys can see exactly how accurate and easy the system is. This pink line is going to hook and come. Oh, it's too thick. This pink line is going to hook and come back down like this. Touch it again. When it does, as soon as that little hookup comes right there, I'll be announcing another buy. And again, you guys will make shit tons of money on gold. This is what it's going to look like here. If you want me to, I'll draw out what this is going to happen with your histogram bars. It's going to come down, down, down like this. Just someone should watch this and watch amazingly how, well, okay, I can't draw, but you'll get the idea like this. Then you're going to see your Real direction bar, do a little like this. And then you're going to see price action up here. Start to do what this did over here, right here. And what it did over here, which you guys used to call consolidation, which is just all that is price action moving over to touch one of my EMAs. As soon as it touches it again, the yellow, green, as soon as it touches it again, like that, and then you're going to see price action come up. So not only am I calling out what's currently happening, what's about to happen, I'm drawing out what's going to happen over the next several weeks, and it's going to do it. And there's no doubt in my mind what's going to happen. You'll see this yellow line right here. It'll come probably below it this time, I have a feeling. So it'll probably look like this. And then you're going to see this come right like that. And then these two will stay green. There's no way they're going to red those out. So that'll look like that. So someone take a picture of that. If Bob was here, Bob would take a picture of that, I bet. And then let me know how this draws out over the next several days. You'll see. What's up, Kevin? What's up, Nan? What's up, J-Flow? What's up, Big Cam? What's up, Smokey McSmokerson? What's up, Apple user? What's up, Manula? What's up, everybody on TikTok and YouTube? We're just going over some trades for you guys for open later today and also for later on. I'm telling you, this is what gold's going to do. And if it does this, we'll make good money again, just like we did here, just like we did here. How much is good money? That depends on how you're going to trade gold. You guys are all only trading demo. Get comfortable with trading demo. Understand demo. And then this is my gold trade from 2 times ago. It did it. The blue line. This is where I entered the blue line, and this is how much in gold I have. Fun stuff. All right, so let's go to gold current. I think that's kind of neat. Drawing it out before it happens. Watch, it'll happen. All right, here we go. Let's go to gold 1 second. Wow. Buy stop, too late. It is a buy though. 1 second, 5 second, 10-second buy. Third, man, gold's been on a tear. It's going to need to reset. 1 minute, 3 minute. You guys are too late. You should have already been in this buy. Look at this. Fill in the gap right here on a 10-minute, 15. Well, you still can play any buy stops. Okay, here we go. I'm going to tell you what she's going to do. At open, play any buy stops. Let me be clear. Until you see this pink line right here on the 15-minute go up and touch the blue line. Goes from orange to orange. Look at it. Kind of already filled in the gap here, but I still think this is going to go for a minute. Go ahead and take those trades, demo trade only. Take any 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10-minute buy stop until the 15-minute sniper blue line is touched by the pink line down here. Till this does this. You're going to see, in other words, you're going to see a little pullback. You're going to see it come down like this, hook, and then it's going to come right back up again. So that's gold at open. That's exactly what I would look for. I look for that little pull down. Let it come back down. Put your pending order in. It'll probably do it somewhere to the 1 minute. 3 minute. Yeah. I would let it come back under here on the 3 minute. I don't know if it will go that far. And then let it pull back down and then get your buy stop ready and let it ride up again. And that's what it's going to do. So that's gold for you. We called out US 30, NAS, SPX, and now gold. Short-term and long-term gold. I mean, this is just gorgeous. Long-term is the daily, weekly. I just showed you what has to, I drew it out. Literally just drew this out. That's what this is right here. This is your gold daily. Okay. Next up, well, I guess we can skip ahead. Remind me that I skipped. I'm going to go to Japan 225 for one of our members. Someone's asking. Let's go ahead and go over to Japan 225. Ooh, that's a beautiful looking daily buy stop forming. Gorgeous buy stop. Who was that? Big D? Who's asking that question? Orlando Walters. Orlando, what do you see? I'll wait for you. What do you see on, you tell me what you see daily, weekly, 4 hour, 1 hour before I read this. What do you see on Japan 225? Tell me your read on the charts. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, Apple user on TikTok. Manual on TikTok. Smokey McSmokerson on TikTok. Good morning, everybody that's coming in. Urban Skill. Good morning. I don't know what half your names are. I can't say them. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Orlando Walters, we're waiting on your analysis for Japan 225. I kind of gave it away already a little for the higher time frame. Good morning, everybody on Instagram and Twitch. I think we only have one follower on Twitch, and that's George. One of our members named George. It's kind of funny. Call Micah too. Oh, call Micah too. Oh my God, I did not want to see that. Let's see. Okay. Orlando, what happened to you, my friend? Where's your analysis at? Did I miss it? Orlando Walters, you're slowing up everything, my friend. All right, I guess I'll read it for him. Here we go. This is an absolute textbook trade. I'm going to open up two charts for you guys to see this. Okay, those of you on TikTok, those of you on YouTube, gorgeous. Love this trade. Love this trade. Let me see the 3 week. Oh, yeah. You should have bought in. Let's be clear. You had better entries, Orlando. You had better entries here, here, but this will work fine. Now, let me show you what you're looking at. We're on Japan 225. This is Japan 225, 3 week on the left. On the right is the daily. Okay. Orlando's like 777. Orlando doesn't want to do it. That's funny. That's all right, Orlando. That's what I'm here for. I get paid the big bucks, I guess, for this. Look, this is your 3 week pink line low, blue line high. So let's draw out the trade completely. We use two charts always when we make our trades. You're supposed to draw out. Let me be specific. Everything you see on these pictures, you guys should be writing out. Before you take a trade, draw number out your reasons why. Everyone needs to write this down. I'll pause for about 5 seconds so YouTube can catch up. Everyone needs to write this down. Before you take a trade, draw out your numbers / draw out your reasons why. You should write this down every time. Before you take a trade, I'm going to give you those numbers and those reasons why. Okay. Now watch. This alone is a buy. So I'm telling you, from the time this hit down here, which was somewhere around here, it would have been somewhere right around in the middle. I'd have to go open up the chart, but somewhere right around here. So on this candle right here, probably was just down here at its base right there. So with that in mind, you'd have already made a shit ton of money, but that's okay. We're pretending like we missed that. So by the time this one goes up, this pink line goes up to the blue, you'll make money. It's as simple as that. This is a 3 week chart. Normally I use monthly, but sometimes, let me see. Yeah, see, it's not all the way down yet. Weekly. Still love this thing. Okay. Anyway, so this is the blue line high, pink line low, 3 week. You've already made a shit ton of money if you'd have did it the way it's supposed to be done, but it's not anywhere near to be done. So now we're going to look for any buy stop as this pink line goes up towards the blue. Any buy stop we can find. period. Okay, so this is 3 weeks. This is going to take time. This isn't going to be fast. 3 weeks trade means basically 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. I mean, this is probably going to take an additional 6 months to finish out. But anywho, here we go. We have our first two, and the only important two that matter are these two right here on the 3 week. We come over to the daily, right? Let's go over to the daily. And what do we see? We see a pullback. Scooting this over so everybody on Instagram can see it too. We see a pullback right here. This is our logo. So we only trade our logo is what I always tell you guys. So let's take a look of what exactly does that mean. We only trade the logo. Well, when price started here and came up and reset right here, that's our logo. When it did it here, that's our logo. Okay, you can see it here. Price came up over. It's resetting right here to do our logo again in the future. How do we know this is going to do that? Well, I can go down to the 4 hour from here and I'll see, and it might even be a 7 hour. It's probably going to be a 7 hour. We're going to see a buy stop. Yep. And then we're going to see a 7 hour buy stop. Yep. Hell, we might even see a 12 hour. And we do. So this is a 12-hour buy stop. We're about to see pink cross blue, green, green, red, green, buy stop. So this is our 12-hour. And then we come to where we are, which is our daily. So this is about to flip and come up again. So I would do any buys you can take right here. 38,480, 38,600 buy stop, Japan 225. But I'm explaining to you all the reasons why. So watch what happens. If we go down to our 12-hour, which is the exact same, we're going to see everything perfect. Now look, we're going to see blue line low. We're going to see a buy stop. So our crystal ball trading system is seeing a buy. Everything is proper. You have to have your blue line high, pink line low on the sniper. You have to have your blue line low on the sniper. You have to have a buy stop, just like this. This means it is going to go up, and we'll just wait for it. So let me see what it means. Let's take a look. Besides our logos being formed on the 3 week, on the daily, on the 12-hour, okay, we also have, morning, Kim. Okay. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Morning, everybody on YouTube. Someone asked me to do a analysis of Japan 225. I've already called out US 30. What's going to happen at open? SPX. What's going to happen at open? NAS. What's going to happen open? Gold. What's going to happen at open? And now I'm looking at Japan 225. So this is what I'm going to tell y'all. Play any buy stop over the next several. If you don't know what a buy stop is, a future pending order. If you don't know what it looks like, watch some of my videos I have on YouTube, over 2,000 videos technically on YouTube. And then go ahead and look up how to do a buy stop through your own broker. It's very easy. It's just a pending order. You put it in and it'll pop when it goes up. All right. So watch. Play any buy stop until this is as simple as you can make trading. Till this 3 week pink line comes up and touches the blue line. Once it does that, your trade will be over. At least the first part of your trade will be over. And you're going to make a shit ton of money. If you'd already did that, you'd be in a shit ton of money because it's already popped a little. Okay. So longer term trades. What do I mean by longer term trades? 12-hour, daily, weekly, monthly, that type of trade. This is what we're talking about now. I'll go to short term in just a few minutes. Simply put, the sniper, the most accurate ever made indicator in the history of the world with trading, and I'm not exaggerating, it is. It predicts the future with near 100% accuracy. I always give God the ability to do what he wants, but it's very extremely accurate. Boop, boop, all set up. So these are three. Number one, blue line high. Number two, pink line low on the 3 week. Over here, we have the 12-hour blue line low. And we have a buy stop, green, red. Okay. So after that, we have several more reasons of why this is going to change. Let's take a look and be up. Well, if we look at this, you can clearly see one of my signals indicators is the candles, and they're extremely accurate. They switched over to green here, and guess what? It went up. Switched over to red, went down. Green went up. Well, they're green right here. So this is another reason why we have our typical orange line EMA dip. We have our green on our BOK, BOK indicator, which actually gave birth to the, that's where it came from. The BOK is what created your sniper. Then below us right here, you have real direction bars 1, 2, and 3 saying the trade is going to go up. Okay. We come over to this side. Let's take a look. Over here, we see clearly the candles are red. We clearly see the orange line is nowhere near the yellow or red lines right here. So we know that that's for a fact going to be doing what it's supposed to be doing. Also, I forgot to mention, we have our color line changed to green over here on the 12-hour. It's still red over here, but that's okay. Over here, we have a fill in the gap trade. This is truly something unique. This is something that surprised me because this is so fucking cool. Watch this right here. This space right here between the green and the yellow line is this fill in the gap, is this puzzle piece missing thing right there. These, let me be clear. This space, there's black. This green line will come up and touch the yellow. And this space is filled in by this puzzle piece right here. This is your red histogram bars on the 12-hour. Those histogram bars fit inside of this. It is so fucking cool. When you guys see that, it is fucking amazing. These are just add-ons. Remember, we don't need all these other reasons. I'm just showing you what they are because the system is this accurate. I had no idea when I created the system that this would form like this would fit in there like that. But pleasant surprise, it did. Fucking amazing. So fucking cool. So fucking cool. All right. So we're looking at Japan 225. We're looking at Japan 225 long term. What's it going to do basically from the daily, weekly, monthly type levels? Well, this is what's going to do. How should you play it? Buy stop. Demo trade only, just like me. Put it in over here to roughly speaking anywhere from 38,735, 38,933, 38,637, somewhere in that range. Buy stop. Demo trade only. I'm not a financial advisor. Now, to be exactly specific for you, let's count up all the ways again. So we have 1 blue line high, 2 pink line low, 3 blue line high, and over here we have pink and purple low. So we're going to add on a couple here. Below us, we have real direction bars, 3 of them green, 1, 2, and 3. We have the fill in the gap that goes the other side. We have our double BOK. We have our orange above. We have our green line. We have our logo. We have the candles color changed. Okay. You come over to here. We have the same fill in the gap right here. You have the green histogram bars, and underneath it, there are 3 green, but you can't see those right now. 3 green real directions. You come over to here. You have the orange above. You have our logo. You have the colors. The candles themselves are green. I think that's all we need over here. Oh, the BOK. The BOK's got to be green. Hold on one second. Let me scoosh this down a little bit. Oh, we don't have enough history. We don't have enough history on the 3-week to see that, but the box is definitely green in this case. I know it is. Not enough. When there's not enough history, the indicators can't draw enough to make their calls. All right, so we have 22 reasons for this trade to go up on the 12-hour buy stop or daily buy stop, and keep taking every buy stop until this 3-week pink line goes up to the blue. This is a very, very, very nice trade. I really like the looks of this trade for the longer term buy. Now we'll get to short term in just a minute, but this is the longer term. Okay. Today is their election day, Kev. Oh, nice. I hope they elect the right um, leader. I don't know, what do they call them? Presidents over there? I don't know what they call them. All right. So listen, we don't need all this. Hell, you don't even need to have my indicators on your chart. Let's see how you do. This is what the raw chart looks like. Good luck on interpreting this. There's nothing you can trade with the raw chart. Nothing you can trade. And if you tried adding on the silly old, what they refer to as technical indicators, I guarantee you for a fact, we know for a fact that Fibonacci and Fibonacci extensions and retracements do not work 99% of the time. How do I know that? Because they did a 14-year study on it, and Dave Ramsey's quoted in saying it doesn't work. Here are the facts. We were all taught the old way to trade using Fibonacci's, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, naming of candle and candle patterns, volume, VWAP, Bollinger Bands, all that bullshit. They don't work. But don't take my word for it. Please do not take my word for it, right? Just don't do that. Here are the facts. Here's the entire article. Here is the entire article written by Oliver Krasowski, Why the Majority of Day Traders Fail. Okay. Studies have shown that more than 97% of all traders, day traders, lose money, and less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. Almost everyone who attempts to day trade fails. This is quoting Dave Ramsey, although he's quoting it was a 14-year study they did. 85% of all day traders will quit within the first 3 years of trading. Day Trade Review 2022. So this isn't me. Yet we're all taught to use these exact same bullshit indicators that do not work. I tried fib retracement for about a year and a half on NAS and EUR USD. It did not fucking work. I couldn't get it to work in over a year, and I'm not dumb. Pitchfork, bullshit. Trend lines, bullshit. Awesome oscillator. I've used it. It's not awesome. It does not work. Bollinger Bands, while pretty, I always say, do not work. Go ahead. Volume does not work. Does not work. Does not work. Does not work. How do I know? Does not work. Does not work. Pivot points do not work. Does not work. Does not work. Stochastic RSIs do not work. You want me to keep going? Volume VWAP do not work. Nope. Does not work. Fractals do not work. Well, actually, it is a fractal market, but not the way they're using it. So all these quote unquote technical indicators that you'd put on your chart do not work. Do not work. Again, some of you say, oh, the head and shoulders. No, they know that they do not work. So I hope I'm clear on this. Some of you still want to hold on and add my system to other things. Don't add my system to shit. It works by itself flawlessly. Don't add any of that other stupid shit onto my great system. Don't do it. So if all that fails, then what works? La-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. And I'll fucking eat a hat on live TV if my system doesn't work more than 1% of the fucking. First of all, I wouldn't even put my name on something and put this out there and waste my time training you for fucking 2,000 videos every day if fucking I didn't have better than a 1% win rate. Get out of here. Get the freak out of here. Never in a million years would I ever put my name on something that only worked 1% of the time. Why am I using 1%? Because that's the only fucking amount that fucking any of those all indicators work. They work less than 1% of the time. Hell with that. Yeah. You want a guarantee? Here's a guarantee. I'll eat my fucking hat if this fucking set of indicators that I created work less than. Why are you kidding me? I want you all to have a 99% win rate. a 1% losing weight. That's probably more accurate. Actually, it is more accurate. So how does my system call this all out? Well, here's all the reasons. 23, 24 of them, 24 reasons. You buy the system, you get training, you go over to here, safetrade.com, you buy the system, learn how to trade for once in your miserable trading lives. I know every one of you listening is sick of losing. I know every one of you is sick of losing. I know every one of you is sick of losing. So stop losing. Get a system that tells you what's going to happen before. I know it sounds impossible. They just showed you it works over and over and over again. And then you say, well, this is too complicated. All right. Then all you have to do is use the sniper pink to blue high. That's all you have to do. Do it on daily, do it on the weekly, do it on the 3-week. When this goes from here to here, price will be high. And you could already see it's higher. It hit somewhere right around here. I can tell you exactly if I opened up the layer box to tell me when the pink went down below 5. And it was somewhere right around here. And once it did, it came back up already. And it's not done. This will continue to go up for Japan 225. Okay. And I don't give their news is today. I don't give a fuck who they're electing today. I hope they elect the right official, but I mean, it doesn't matter to what I'm showing you. Now, all of this can be wrapped up. And watch, I'll show you. It can be wrapped up in one line. Let me see if we can pull this off for you guys. Let me go over to here. And we're so fucking blessed to have Keith as our coder. It's not even time yet. Let me go down to here. Hold on. Let me turn this one off. Let me go over to my indicators that actually fucking work. And let's go over to here. And we want the 4-hour, daily 4-hour. Let's see this one. And then let's put on the 4-hour, 1 hour, 2 for you guys for later. Okay. So here we go. So everything, there you go. Daily 4-hour. Everything that I'm just, all this right here, everything that you see, all 24 reasons, plus some actually up to 30, over 30. So 24 reasons are in the signal service one line right here. All these reasons are coded by the great Keith Palmer into this one line to tell you that this is a buy stop. We have a signal service. It sends out, well, I can tell you for a fact, because I went over them. It has one open trade. Every other trade on your daily, weekly is 100% accurate. Not only is it 100% accurate, here it is, your tier 3. It has made over 20,000 pips. You heard that right. Right here. 20,000. I can't show you all the new ones, though. 20,000 pips. Other than the new ones have been called. I can't show you what those are. People are paying for that. But these ones right here, I went over it in a video on YouTube, and I documented every trade. Let me go over here. You just follow. I just say follow the half moon rule. We do have rules to follow, but it's summed up in half moon. I'll show you what that means. Let me go back over to YouTube. And let's go over to, yeah, that's cute. No, we don't want to watch Shania Twain. View my channel. And let's get ready to have some market open trades, which I've already called. Here you go. In this YouTube video right here. Well, not that one with the thing on it, but you get the idea. This YouTube video right here. How can I skip this? There we go. This video right here. I go ahead and document over 20,000 pips profit, but it's pips documented from tier 3 signals since July 2024 when it went live. This is 100% documented. I went over every single trade that was called out, every single trade twice, actually. Here are all the results right there. Gonna be the best. Gonna be. Here they are right here. Let me show you again. Let me pause it. Let me make this full screen. This is the tier 3 signal results. Amazon, $12 profit. Google, twice, $4 profit. GBB, JPY, 1,500 pips. This is from Automated Signals. NAS, 2,800 pips and open. Matter of fact, we have a couple NAS trades over here too. Ethereum, loss. It's open trade. It's not a loss. It'll end up winning. SPX, 800 pips. GBB, USD, 500 pips. US 30, 3,500 pips. Gold, 350 pips. I'm sorry, $350 an ounce. Google, $4 a thing and going, by the way. These are all open trades. You can take any 30-minute buy stop you find on any of these symbols and you will make money. I'm not a financial advisor, demo trade only, but you'll make demo money. Fuck yeah, you will. USD CAD, 200. This is our worst performing one, 250 pips. NAS, 1,500 pips. SPX, 300 pips plus the 800 pips. That's 1,100 pips. NAS is 1,500 pips plus the 2,800 pips. Bitcoin, $10,000 a coin and open. NAS, 1,500 more pips right here. So that's 3,000. That's 5,800 pips on NAS alone. UK 100 was 100 pips, actually times like 3, but I only counted the 100. It did it 3 times. So this is tier 3 signals results. Let me take a picture of this, by the way. Hold on a second. You're a sad bunch. La da 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 da. I'll make a man out of you. I can't sing to save my life. Da 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 da. Yes, what's today's date? 10/25/24, tier 3 signal results. Da 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 da. So yes, these are the actual results. And why does this matter? Because these results that you see, all documented, all unedited, all real, all there, all except, matter of fact, all underreported. I guarantee you this probably has another 2,000-3,000 pips in there. I'm not even counting. All of that. Matter of fact, we can leave this one open. I'm going to leave this open over here. Da, da, da. Is because of this one line right here. And this one line right here is the signal service that produced all of that. Da, 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 da. And that signal service is coded by the great Keith Palmer with all these reasons why to take this buy stop when it's called out. Buy stop, 4-hour daily, JP 225. Buy stop 12-hour, buy stop daily, buy stop weekly, buy stop 3-week. Play any buy stops you can find. 30 minutes are best. Okay. Am I clear on this? Sevens if I'm clear on JP 225, Japan 225, but I'm going to do the faster time frames now to see what it is, but I don't want to go. Everyone clear? Sevens if you're clear. What's up, Christopher Zier? Around here, we don't play maybes, could be's, what be's. We're telling you what's going to happen in the future exactly. And there it is. Gonna be that. Now, short term, once you guys give a couple sevens, Manuel says, thank you, Manuel. Let's take a look. We're going to go down to the smaller time, the faster time frames. So now we're going to look what makes these up. And we're going to start looking way down to the 1 seconds. No sevens on. Oh, there's Taraya Edwards. Thank you, Taraya. Good morning, Guy Berger. Thank you, Taraya. D-Man J. Okay. Now, let's look at the faster time periods. 1 second. Buy stop to the blue line. 5 second. This is Japan 225, JP 225. Buy stop to the 5 second blue line. Play any 1 second, 5 second to the 10 second blue line. Forming, not yet. 30-second cell. 30-second cell. 30-second cell stop. Japan 2225. 225. You know what I mean. 3-minute cell to where? To the 5-minute? No. Cell. 5-minute cell. 10-minute cell. Where are we going to? Why is everything above? 10-minute. Man, shit must have been hitting hard. 1 hour. 1 hour to the 2-hour. Play any shorter term, meaning specifically 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 2-hour cell stop until the 3-hour blue line is hit. JP225. Play any cell. Now, these cells are creating our buys. See what they're doing? So all this downward movement is making and creating our 12-hour, 7-hour daily buys, weekly buys. That's what it's doing. So all this downward movement, matter of fact, you can play that until I don't know if it'll hit the 4-hour blue line. It may. Play any cell stop to definitely the 3-hour blue line is hit for JP225. That is your faster time frame. Sell longer term time frame. That means your 12-hour daily, weekly, 3 weeklies buy. If you don't like horse shitting around with the smaller time frames, then just do the higher time frames. Hello. Am I clear on sell to the 3-hour/4-hour blue line of JP225? After that, look for the buy. Or if you're not comfortable playing those cells, then just look for the buy. It's going to be flipped to the buy within a few days. Yes, I'm clear. No, I'm not clear. I'll make a man out of you. Let's get down to business and call out some more signals. All right, that is JP225. We've also done US 30 for open. We've also done NAS for open. We also done SPX for open. We've also done gold for open. Next up is US oil. Oil, what's it going to do at open today? What's it going to do at open today? Gee whiz, I don't know. Let's take a look and find out. All right, oil. Buy stop to the 1 second blue line. Oil to the 5 second blue line. I swear to goodness, I'm going to have to give Tyria Edwards just a thing for actually answering. Well, Guy Berger too. Oh, my bad. I didn't see everybody else. Thank you, Jones 808. Thank you, Guy Berger. Thank you, D-Man. Telling you, I don't need your answers, but your answers sure as hell help you guys out a lot. That's what you guys all fail to remember. You will absolutely. Why did the live video end? What the fuck, Instagram? What the? Why does Instagram end? Get the Let me guess. They have some kind of time limit. I don't care if the live video ended. All right, that's great. Great. Get the fuck out of here. Hold on. Da 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 da. Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. What the hell? How does Instagram work? Does anybody know Instagram Live? Let's see. Why did they cut it off after whatever time period? Let's get down to business. to defeat the Huns. What the fuck? Oh my god. Where's my live? Would they ban me from doing lives? What the fuck? Nope, I can still go live. Well, all right, we're back live on Instagram. I don't know. I guess they just turn you off after time. I don't know. Whatever. Fuck out of here. All right, we're back. Where we at? Let's take a look. 10-second buy. Yes, we can trade to the 1 second with my system, 5-second, 10-second trades. It's a scalper's wet dream. You guys all dream of being able to have this good. I'm making a funded trader version of the safety trade system so that everybody out there will be able to get a funded account if you want the right way instead of listening to the yahoos like the weirdos out there that supposedly, whatever, I'm not getting into it. 10-second buy stop to the blue line. We're dealing with US oil and it's also UK oil is the same thing. Then look for a 15-second sell stop. Sell stop to the blue line, US and UK oil. Then buy. I love this buy. 1 minute buy, 3-minute buy, 3-minute buy, 5-minute buy. 5-minute, 10-minute, 10-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute buy stop. Love this buy stop in US UK oil. Love it. Love it. To the 1 hour blue line. Then look for a 2-hour sell. Again, pick whichever one you like to trade on. Please just pick that one. So daily, weekly, daily sell, daily sell. But I love this weekly, monthly buy. Weekly, monthly buy. Weekly, monthly buy. Love the trade. Oil. It's almost set too. This is almost to the bottom where you need it. Almost there. Yeah, I have it. Monthly buy stop oil. Love it. Don't care. Love this trade. Yep. Let it come down a little bit further if you want to be patient with things, but overall, it's right for the pickings. Yep. It's going to take a while. This is a very long-term trade, but it'll happen. It'll happen. Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. All right, that's oil. So at open, I already called out the faster time frames. That's what you should do. EUR USD, here we go. 1 minute. I'm sorry, 1 second. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. EUR USD. 1 second, 5-second buy stop. EUR USD. 15-second buy stop. Let's get down to business. So that's what I'd look for at open, by the way, to be clear. The faster ones always form first. 30-minute, 1 hour. 1 hour, 1 hour where? So 3 hour? Wow, this has been a fucking hard fall. Woo! Motherfuckers diving like a deep dive swimmer. Daily, weekly, buy. Love this trade. Weekly, daily, buy. Put a buy on ERUSD at 1.09439, not a financial advisor, demo trade only. Or, oh, gee whiz, buy stop back to the blue line. I think the system's calling this out too. Let's get down to business. Do what? To defeat the Huns. I like this trade. It is a 3 months. Well, it's actually technically a monthly 3-month sell, 6-month sell. I just don't know why I like this, and we're probably going to get slammed because of whatever. I'm not going to get into politics, but yeah, I like this trade. That's the way I'm seeing it. Buy. What was it? Buy 1 second EUR USD. Buy 5-second EUR USD to the 5-second blue line. Then somewhere around here, is it here? We had a little sell floating around. Yeah, 1 minute, 3 minute sell. And then, yeah, you could play this sell. This is how I'd look at this too. I would play the sell, the short or medium term sell. Play the sell on EURUSD until this red histogram fills in this yellow and this pink goes down to the blue on the 7-hour. I'm on 7-hour EURUSD. You're a little late with your entry. Should have been in here or at the orange line, but let this fill in the gap. This will fill this in. Good trade. It'll go down. So play mediums like this trade for you guys, probably right after open. I can see this dropping. Yeah. How much? Yeah, this is going to go down a good bit. It's going to go below here. I'd play the sell until it goes below 1.07605. Not a financial advisor, demo trade only. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. This is going to fill in right here. I'm on the 7-hour. Now, if you don't like playing all those shitty little short-term things, medium, then look for right here. I told you on that buy for the weekly, daily. I like that very much. Okay, so that's EURUSD. Gonna be the one. Gonna da da da. All right, next up, GBB JPY. Oh God, buy stop anything you could find in your life with GBB JPY. 8-6 daily, weekly. Look how it's gone up from right here where I called it. Zoop. See your buy, green, 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 red. See the pink cross. See the buy. If it had dipped a little lower, I probably would have sold a house and went in there. Excuse me. All right. Long term. Play any, and let me be clear on this. Play any buy stop. I wonder if we can have a text to speech message come up on my screen. No, because it needs to be typed out on my thing. I wonder if I can have that open. I'll have to look into that. Anywho, watch. Let me draw it out for this so that you cannot listen. Till this pink line comes up to here like this, until this green line's over here, fill in the gap right here, and they touch like this. This will go up. Mark my words. GBB JPY. Play any buy stop until the sniper, let me show you again right here, until this pink line down here, right here, comes all the way up. And play any buy stop on GBB JPY you can find from 1 second to 3 week until this pink line comes up. If you'd have listened to me when I told you to take this trade, and if you go back to my live on 8-6, you'll see me call this out live. 1,100. You would be up over 1,000 pips on a Forex pair. This isn't hitting home runs. I forgot what silly person on our Discord said that. It's not hitting home runs. When you make 1,000 pips on a trade, it's trading. That's called normal trading. Some of you are so silly. Oh, that's a home run. That's a home run. That's a grand. No, it isn't. That's a normal fucking trade. What the fuck that is. Okay. It's going to do that. Now, a little faster or quicker turnaround times for you guys. Let's get back to business to defeat. Yeah, you have to listen to my singing. Sorry. The Hun. Let's get back to business. All right. 1 second. GBB JPY. 1 second. Nothing I'm going to call. Nothing I'm going to call. 5 second, 10 second, 15 second. Love the buy. Love the 15 second, 30 second buy at open. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Now, unfortunately for us, I mean, you just got to wait. This is just too good. You're over 1,000 pips too late to enter the trade. 1,000 pips too late, but it'll pull back down. Again, I would play very specifically. I let a pullback happen on GBP, JPY. And why do I say that fully out? Some of you may know. Does anybody remember why I say the GBP, JPY, AUD, USD, USD, CAD. Why do I say all the letters out? Does anyone know why? Let me get down to business to defeat the Huns. Anybody know why? Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. Let's get down to business. To defeat the Huns. Good morning, Coach. Let's see what we got going on. Good morning, Martin. Good morning, Mr. C. Oh, yeah, it's been a nice one. Nice laid back live. Calling out all the symbols so far. We're up to GBP, JPYs. Any thoughts on US 30? Already talked about US 30, Martin. You can look at it again later. To help beginner traders, I think. Well, that's very good. The reason why is because I was a dumbass when I first started trading, and people were calling out GY and AU and UC. I didn't know what the fuck they were talking about. EU. I didn't know what they were talking about. It's like, what the fuck's a GJ? What's an AU? So from then on, I don't care. For anyone that is a beginner trader, like Mr. C said, is I will call out the full name. And I actually had a guy, this is about 2 years ago. He doesn't call it GJ. He doesn't call it EU. He doesn't know how to trade. Yeah, okay, good call there, bro. You obviously turned out to be a fuck nut. No, I call out the full symbol 99% of the time because I don't want beginners to struggle. US 30, NAS 100, SPX 500. We've already gone over all those. Gold. Now I do say gold instead of XAU USD because everybody knows what the fuck gold is. No one knows what XAU is. US oil, UK oil we've done, EUR USD we've done, and we're just finishing up GBP JPY. Yeah. It's to be crystal clear. I don't want people, when I started out, I didn't know what a EMA was. I didn't know what a moving average was. I didn't know there could be different kinds of moving average. I didn't know that there could be exponential moving average. I didn't know what a candle was. I didn't know. I didn't even understand that like a 30-second candle meant the candle closed in 30 seconds, and a daily one is daily. I had no idea. I had no idea of anything. I was literally probably right up there with the worst traders ever. I swear, I didn't even win a trade maybe once a month for like 2 years. I was horrible. I placed a trade and it went the wrong direction almost immediately. I put a trade. Well, I got this one. So then I started saying, well, if I thought it was going to go up, I'll put it down. No, none of it worked. Whatever I did was wrong. I don't care. So because when someone would call out AUD USD, AU, I'd be like, what the fuck's an AU? Ashland University? What the fuck are we talking about? I had no idea what they were talking about. So that's why I do that. Do you think all accounts, every trade? JFlow, do you think you will crack 100 million pips in profit? Total accounts, every trade to date or future? Me personally, real and demo trades. Interesting. I don't know. I'd have to log back into all my other accounts. 100 million pips? No. I know I'm not at 100 million pips. Oh, in the future? 100 million pips? That just sounds like an awfully big number. I would say no. I don't think I'll do that. No. Do I think that these are trades that we can catch, 100, 200, 1,000 on? You know how many fucking 1,000 pip trades goes into 100 million? I don't think we can do it. I mean, maybe all of us combined, making the same trades and doing that maybe, but no, I don't think I can do that. 100,000,000? Oh, shit. I'm no, that seems like a too big of a number for me to hit. But nice question, Jay. Total accounts, every trade to date or future. 100,000,000 pips in profit. Yeah, no, I'm gonna go ahead and say probably not. $100,000,000. If you include demo, 100% yes. If you include all my demo trades, do I think I can clear $100,000,000? I could probably do $100,000,000 on a demo account, with a big enough demo account where I didn't have, and I had the 500 to 1 thing. Yeah, you give me a demo account, I can get it to $100,000,000 probably within a month for sure, but probably within a week, I can have it there. Yeah, you start me out with $1,000,000 account, 100,000,000, 100. Yeah, I would think that's more than achievable in a month. Depends on if we're in a hot market, if things are moving fast enough for us. If I have enough leverage on that demo account, can I pull it? Yeah, I probably could. Yeah, I could probably pull that off very easily, actually. So I trade some medium-sized accounts. Just make a $100 account into 500. I've done that 100 times now. Oh, why are you making such small trades? Then I make the medium trades, the ones I have open now, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 trades. Oh, well, that's unbelievable. People can't trade that much money. I get hate each way I go. But yeah, on a demo account to make it into $100,000,000, yes, Jay. I mean, if you guys want me to start doing demo trades, I am doing demo trades, let's be clear. But if you want me to start showing demo trades, gotta be careful how I word this, then yeah, I can open up a demo account, throw in 1,000,000. I think I can start with 1,000,000. I don't know. I'd have to look into that. Maybe through I don't know if MetaTrader 4 can do that. I don't know if TradingView can handle a demo account like that. I think they do. I think MetaTrader 4 used to do that. I don't know. I haven't officially demo traded through them in a while. But I think you can plug in whatever number you wanted. But yeah, I can trade that big if you want. Fuck. We can do it on the replays. We can do that too. Oh, I don't know if you can show 100 mil though on TradingView. I don't know where they cut you off at. Yes, correct. Caribbean GTR, you can double your money every month with very conservative lots. Correct. He just trying to. If you wanted me to show off and trade monstrously huge, I can absolutely do that for you through demo. I'm not going to use my real money on it. Fuck that shit. I still have a very much, to me right now, to be clear on it, right now, these trades are motherfucking huge for me, and they're only 44,000, 25,000, $18. These trades are very big. Tommy's made bigger trades. Jay has made bigger trades. Tommy's made 220,000, whatever it was, 221,000 on gold before. One of our members, Kick, Tommy. I'm thrilled with 44,000, 25,000. These trades are huge to me. But if you let me do demo trading, oh, the fuck with that. I'll demo trade a fucking $100,000,000 account up to $1,000,000,000 if you wanted, and easily. MetaTrader 5 can do it. Yeah, I'll do demo trading MetaTrader. I don't have any MetaTrader 5 accounts, but I can get some. Yeah, I can. If you guys want me to, I can build up a $100,000,000 account. But then people say, "Oh, he's only demo trading. Oh, no one can trade $1,000,000 account. Oh, blah 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 blah." Get the fuck out of here. If I trade small, no one can do it. If I trade medium, no one can do it. If I trade huge, no one can do it. Whatever. So you'll see me trade $100 trades, $50 trades, $200 trades. Showing, I remember doubling up an account. It was like a $300 account. I think I had $1,800 in it by the end of the day on one of the lives. I mean, it's not that difficult. It isn't. Now, if you're trying to double up $1,000,000 of real money, I ain't doing it. I'm not fucking doing it. Well, but it's your system. You should have all the confidence. You know, PTSD, post-traumatic trading, is real. You know, I lost for 2.5 years every fucking trade I placed, even though I win 90, well, a lot of trades right now, all the time pretty much. Well, I don't know about AUD USD at this point, but you know, most all the trades, I'm still very much gun shy. Very, very much. I do very everyone's why don't you trade bigger? Well, some accounts I do. Well, why don't you trade real big? Now, if someone had $1 trillion out there and said, "Let's play around with a billion," or we had $1 billion, let's play around with 1,000,000, I would not. I can only trade demo, but I could absolutely get that account built up huge in a short period of time. So, yeah. To me, this is huge. To me, buying, you know, my girls 2 new cars, um, being able to pay cash for 2 new cars, buying them a house, um, that's huge. Setting them up for their retirements as we speak, setting up my beautiful wife with a cash house. She had 2 cars, paid cash. Yes, they're only, 4Runners. They're not Maseratis or whatever stupid shit that is. I don't give a fuck about that. Setting her up with lots and lots of money. Yeah, that's what I do. I don't give two fuck. I'm not here trying to be splashy, fancy. I'm not here trying to fly in a helicopter that my daddy bought me, with a suit that my daddy bought me, with this briefcase that I don't even know how to open. Some of these traders out there are like fucking morons, yet they're so much more quote unquote successful with how many people they sign up, and they're scam artists. I'm sitting here every day with you trading live, making trades, calling out trades, drawing out trades, for the love of God, every day with you guys, trying to help you all make money every fucking day, teaching you every day how to trade. Now, I get it. Ultimately, when I come out with the trading robot, which will be the full circle, ironic as it is, we'll have a trading robot in a year based on our Discord signals. Boom. That'll be called in a year. That's why when you see this right here, you see this now. Watch this. You see this with entries. This is all going to be updated on your tier 3 signal accounts. December. This is coming out in December. You'll have your entry. We're going to give you take profit. We're going to show you the whole profit for the trade or the loss, the max drawdown, and the number of candles it took to get there. This is all being coded into our robot. So I'm trying to have Keith help you all while we code this into the robot, help you all to, you know, as it's coming. So the signal service, with its near 100% accuracy of fucking call out after call out, correct, over 20,000 pips made from tier 3 signals alone, just use your half moon entry, is insane. And all that information, all these call outs, all these signals are being looked over by me. And I'm looking at all of them. Eventually, I'll be down to the daily, to the 5-minute trades, 3-minute trades too. All of them, all your holy grail trade signals, almost holy grail trades, the Ricky Bobby, all these signals that are being called out are all being used to create a robot. So eventually there'll be a Breebot. There you go. That's funny, Kevin Haldeman. Good morning, Mike Mahoyan. Thanks for being on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning, Kevin. Thanks for being on TikTok, YouTube. Good morning, Apple user 46. Good morning, Smokey McSmokerson. Good morning, G. Lachey. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. So yeah, but this is all being coded in up here. So eventually I'll have for you guys a trading robot. Now that trading robot is going to be extremely expensive. For those of you who are in the signal service, or those of you in the sniper service, when I release it, you'll get it for peanuts. Peanuts. You'll get it probably for like, I don't know, $300, $500 a month. Those of you who aren't in it will be paying $1,000, $2,000, probably on the gold one, $3,000. Yeah, a month. because it won't miss. Well, it'll be 99%. I'm not releasing a robot unless it's 99% accurate. Let me be clear on that. Or 90% accurate. I'm not. If I can't get the robot to be 90%, 95%, 99% accurate, profitable every trade, profitable near every trade, profitable, I'm not releasing the robot. So, but I'll get there. The system's too good. So there is a robot coming. It'll be here within, I would say, this time next year, within the year. It took us a year to get the signal service because what's so hard is, guys, what you don't understand is the way I trade, all these signals you see going out for the first time signal, we're waiting for the Holy Grail signal to be called. All these signals that are being called and generated, the way I trade to code is extremely hard. That's why you guys have to give the great Keith Palmer, a lot of credit because he's taking my mind, how I trade, and putting it into numbers, into code. That's really hard to do, extremely hard to do, but he's done it. He's perfected it. He's coded my mind. What you see here is what goes on in my mind. When you see these call outs here, he's reading all these things that I look at in a trade. He's coded into the signal service. Now we just have to automate that into an EA. Well, MetaTrader 4 calls EA, what you guys would call an AI, a robot, automatic trading, whatever. So all the way I look at the trades and how I read things, and I do this, by the way, on both time frames. When I look at something, I immediately start looking. And then when you guys start hearing me, and we'll come back to the call outs here, when you start seeing me trade US 30, NAS, and SPX, I'm collecting all of this. So we're looking at about 30 different things I'm looking at on SPX. Then I'm looking at 30 different things on NAS, and I'm looking at 30 different things on US 30. So basically, I'm looking at approximately 90 different indicators, we call them indicators. In my mind, I'm just looking at 30 different things on each one of those, combining them into one, and then telling you what to do on that trade. So when I'm calling out US 30 in the morning and I'm right, and NAS in the morning and I'm right, and SPX in the morning and I'm right, those live 5-second, 10-second, 15-second calls, I'm not looking just on US 30. I'm not looking just on NAS. I'm not looking on SPX. That's why I was able to call NAS not falling as hard as US 30 did. And I was able to call US 30 because I'm looking at all the symbols as one. So while you guys might be looking at one or two things or three things, I'm looking at 30 things on three different symbols to call them out. And Keith is able to code that in. What is he able to code that into? He's able to code all of that, what I'm talking about, into our new smart scanner, this thing right here. This thing right here is what he's able to do. So this technology right here, this thing right here that you guys are getting for a free upgrade, this right here is a free upgrade. This is coming to you guys on November the 8th. This right here is taking into over 90 different, more than that actually, because I had them code to the blue line, 90 different plus different indicators, or the way I look at a chart. Keith is taking 90 different visuals that I look at a chart, encoded into this new upgraded smart chart H&H scanner. And what it's doing is this cell stop, it's taking into account all these different things that I just told you. And it's making it look at, is the 5-second above or below? Is there a sell stop to 1 or 2? Is it going to the blue line? Is it not going? And it's calling them out live for you. So when this goes live November 8th, and by the way, here's an exciting news for who's ever here right now. This is exciting for you guys. Who's ever already in the signal service tier 3, you're going to start getting this update. Whoever's in the sniper will start getting this update Monday. By the time the 8th rolls around, every one of you will have this. We're starting to add people on Monday which is going to be basically a week earlier, not to use it, but it's going to be there basically a little over almost 2 weeks early, actually. It's going to be almost 2 weeks early. We're going to start releasing this to people who are on the sniper and people who have the tier 3 signal service. This will be released. As a matter of fact, where's my other one at? Well, anyway. Yeah, this is it. So yeah, this is all coming to you. Jones 808. I still like Robo Cash Flow. Okay, we'll keep that in mind. We're nowhere near naming of the robot, by the way. But this update, this thing right here, is taking in consideration, because again, so you guys can see this, is taking in consideration all these things for SPX, all this reasoning for NAS, all this reasoning for US 30. It's basically over 90 different things I look at, and it's going to be making call outs. So you guys can start making trades, because the Holy Grail trade is going to happen once every month or 2 or 3. It's just going to take time. This trade right here can happen once or twice a day or more. You'll see these 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30 seconds happen. So yeah, this is occurring. This is coming out to your charts starting Monday. Now, not everyone's going to get them, obviously, but by November the 8th, all hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of you will have this new update on your charts with all that information coded into it. While they look like up and down arrows with a safety trade down arrow or something, it looks simple. No, it's very coded. It is very intelligent. It is very smart. It is extremely well coded by Keith Palmer. That's all I can tell you. He took how I trade and made it into these little arrows for you guys. And again, and I'm sure you guys understand that, but when I make my call outs on any one of these three, it's not one symbol. You have to look at all of them. Are they going to the blue lines? Is US 30 above? Is 2 of them above? Is 2 of them below? What's this? Is it a buy stop? Is it a sell stop? Is it going to the thing? Is the pink line low? Is the blue line high? Matter of fact, I got to keep testing that to make sure we're good, but I think we are. All of that goes into goes into this call right here. Matter of fact, he has a misread on it. This shouldn't be calling the sell stop to the blue line out yet. It just shouldn't. It has to be 2 of these have to be below, then the third one is to it. That has to be the rules. Matter of fact, let me write that down. Keith, poor Keith, has so many fucking things. I think today we're going to do a lot. I hope to God today we can do a lot. Keith, I have time, obviously. H&H. What is the rules for order of operations? What we call the order of operations are my rules. What I've determined to make that thing pop up. Hell yeah, Mr. C Flash thing. Yeah. All right. So, what else we got, guys? I guess we should go over your releases. Upcoming releases. This is your scanner. The thing I'm talking about right here is the H&H scanner. This is also going to be updated in our okay, let me make this over here. And then we're going to bring this over here. Okay. Now, H&H update. H&H getting a free upgrade from Bree and I November 8th. Okay. It is going to be calling out demo trades for US 30, SPX, and NAS. 2 blue lines. Very specifically to the blue lines. For those with signal, tier 3, and sniper. Okay. So that's coming November the 8th. Does anybody have any questions over this? I'll have a training video to be very simple. The rules will be very simple on what to do. You could do market orders with this. You can wait for the half moon, either or. Anybody have any questions on TikTok, Instagram, Twitch, or YouTube? That's what it looks like right below here. This is it right here. And it's going to be, in my mind, I think this is going to be a huge blessing for a lot of you. Humongous blessing for a lot of you. Okay, so no questions. Awesome. Here's another free little something, something coming up. Let's go back over to here. Let's go over to here. All right. We have a sniper rifle, and I'll show you what that is coming up. Release date January, tentatively 5th, 2025. It will find blue line trades on any symbol you load it on. Okay. So let me show you what I mean by that. Oh, that'll be cost is $50. The cost of the thing was free. This will be like $50 a month. It's not going to be much. It's going to be so fucking cool. A month. Okay. So let's take a look and let's activate it. So let's pull this down. Turn this one off. Turn the sniper rifle on. Boop. Okay. So fucking cool. Let me see something. Oh, this must be the old sniper rifle. Well, neither here. It doesn't matter. All right. Let's take a look. This is your sniper rifle. We can let me go to Bitcoin, for instance. We can load it up, let it load in, and there's supposedly a 1-hour sell stop on Bitcoin to the blue line. So what the sniper rifle does is anything, let me put it on Ethereum, anything that's firing, it'll tell us if there's a buy stop. There you go, 5-second. Oh, let's see Ethereum. Hold on. This is exciting. Exciting and new. Come aboard the Love Boat. Let me go to 5-second. Let me go over to here. And let's see what we shall see. It's going to be really hard, isn't it? This is a problem with all this shit. Okay, let me pull this over here a tad bit. And let me pull this over here a tad bit. And now we can actually see a chart. Well, that's helpful. All right. That is correct. 5-second buy stop to the blue line. 10-second buy stop. Yeah, let's see. 1 second. Yep, there's your 1 second to the blue line. Here's your 5-second buy stop to the blue line happening as you speak. So this sniper rifle will save you shit tons of time when you're trying to find the correct trade on any symbol. There's a 5-second buy stop on Ethereum to the blue line. 10-second buy stop to Ethereum on the blue line. Now we can go over the 4-hour and then we can go over the daily. So let's go over to the 4-hour. I'm just checking this to make sure we're all functional, which I believe we are. 4-hour buy stop. It is. Let's go over to the daily. Sell stop. Correct. It is. So it's calling out everything correctly. And this is called the sniper rifle. Let's go to Bitcoin. And this is going to revolutionize a lot of your guys' trading. It's going to help you guys out a shit ton. Let me go to the 1 hour. And the sniper rifle, yeah, sell stop, correct. So buy stop on a shoulder frame, sell stop. Yep, correct. So good. So it's calling out everything correctly. Yay. I keep checking it all the time. We have to keep testing it. And this will be tested out and kept improving until it's 100% up to my standards where I want it. And this is called the sniper rifle. Please write out a 7 if you understand. That is trading to the blue line on all time frames from 5 seconds to daily. And you can install it on any symbol you want. Perfect and ideal for those of you who are trying to do your funded trader accounts. Jay Flo says, can't wait for the sniper rifle. Yeah, it'll be fun to play with. It'll be a super effective tool once you guys learn how to read it properly. And again, this is showing you exactly what I always say. This is how easy this is. Oh my God. Look, these 15 seconds are forming the sell on the higher time frame. The 30 seconds forming the sell on the higher time frame. Okay. Now we have another release coming up. And this is to our weekly, daily free. Oopsie. Hold on. Let me get this over here. Free upgrade. Tier 3 signals. Way better entries to weekly, daily, and daily 4-hour trades. Well, signals. Demo signals. Okay. So what do I mean by that? And this is something all of you can benefit from. Everybody over here on TikTok and YouTube, you should be telling your friends about this. What I'm about to show you applies to any trade that you guys are trying to learn, whether it's my system or not. Okay, let's come over to here and watch in stunned amazement of what you're about to see. This is so fucking good. If you have my service, let's just go over to, I don't know, I always like gold. Let's go over to gold. Wait till you see what the fuck is going to happen here. Watch. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Now, let me move this up here. Can I move it all the way up there? Maybe I can move it down. Let me see something here. And let me move this down here. All right, maybe this will work for everybody on Instagram and such. Okay, here we go. Pay close attention to this. Extremely important trading information. You're going to be just holy crap on this shit. All right. Oh, yay. We got some right there too. Even better. Oh, fucking fantastic. All right. Listen and probably even write this one down. I would say definitely write this one down. Your weekly, daily chart signals are 20,000 pips accurate so far. How do they do that? How was I able to create such accurate signals? Right? Holy fucking shit. Who the hell can do that? Well, watch. Whenever the orange line gets touched, the pink sniper line, this is a sniper. It's a custom made indicator. No, you can't guess what it is. Even if you think you know what's being used and you're trying to be a smartass, the settings are totally unique. There's nothing that you're going to figure. No one can figure this out. If I ever see this being used anywhere, your ass would be sued so fucking fast and so fucking hard. I won't stop. I'll waste $100,000 on lawyers just to fucking bury you, to be clear. So I know 2 people in the world, only people have it. So if it leaks, I will sue the living fuck out of the one, and the other gentleman will never do anything stupid. But this other one's a Yahoo, so you got to keep him under wraps, and that'd be the least of his worries. I'll tell him that. Anyway, but this is what we got. We have blue line high, pink line low. Period. So let's go back to our basics again. Pop, pop. This is the sniper. What does blue line roll? What is it? Well, here, watch. I'll show you what it means. This is what it means. The blue line is high and the pink line is low. You can follow, see this blue line right here? It's cutting through. When it hits the bottom, in order to trade, all you have to do is worry about that it's down here. And once this goes from here, down here, to back up to here, price action will go up also. Period. It's all you need to know. The first time it happens is the best. What does the first time mean? I swear to God, when I talk to people, some of the people are so slow out there in this world. Blue line was here. It comes up to the top. Now the pink line for the first time has come down low. Okay. So please type out a yes if you understand that in order to make this weekly trade, this is all you have to do. When the pink line gets to the bottom, it'll come back up. As soon as this turn happens, matter of fact, we can move this over a little bit. As soon as the turn, that might be too much. Hold on. Somewhere around there. As soon as that turn happens and starts to come up and the blue line is still high, that's all. Then just take the trade and it'll go up, period. And I'll wait for some yeses. That's it. So all you have to do is go on a weekly or daily sniper, wait for one of these formations on any symbol, and then take the trade when it looks like what I'm showing with the 1-2 blue line. But I'm going to show you some more specific entrances. Good morning, Pelly. Thank you, Pelly. Some more. Thank you, Jones. Wait. All right. By the way, your guys' YouTube awards have been mailed to my youngest child, Basil, and we're going to go over that Monday to get your guys' addresses to send out those awards to everybody. Oh, I'm so excited. Took a little longer than I wanted, but it always does. All right. So if you want better entrances, holy mofo, here it is. This is it right here, and you're seeing the very first one. This is the part you want to write down. So whenever I go live with this, let me turn this off. Let me turn off my sniper rifle. Let me put on a weekly, daily. Let's go to here. Oh my gosh. Holy fucking shit. You want to know how good the code is on the signal service? Look right where I put my blue line at, where I would have taken the trade to start entry of the trade. And look where the fucking signal service line is. Oh my gosh. Come on. You see the green line right here? Holy, look at it. I had my line right. This is great Keith Palmer coding. He takes into consideration, he sees the charts thanks to his code the way I see the charts. Look at this fucking shit. It was exactly, wow, that was scary. Exactly on the same line that I said it would be, where I would look at the trade. Wow. That's fucking psychotic. Well, anywho, what's up, Priscilla? Thank you, Guy Burger. Thank you, Priscilla. So watch. This is what you guys want to know. On your right is a 30-minute gold chart. On your left is the weekly gold chart. On your left, right here, when it hits the bottom, right where I put it, that's too fucking funny. You wait for a 30-minute buy stop. The buy stop is typical. There's nothing special about it, but I'm going to show you something that's going to fucking wow you. Watch. When it's a buy stop, let me show you. When it's a buy stop, when this all, listen to me, this is the order of operations. Pink line low, blue line high. Then the very first 30-minute buy stop to the blue line is going to be coded into the the new robot. I guarantee you this will be the first trade I'll be looking at to see how accurate it is on different symbols and how we can trade it and how we can make it happen. When this occurs, we're going to make sure it works on all the symbols. This will be coded in. It's that accurate. Thank you, Priscilla. Good morning, Priscilla. I'm so grateful you're here. Trying to help you out. Every ounce of my body is trying to help you win, to make trades. Thank you, Lachey, for being on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning, Apple user. Good morning, Smokey McSmoker. Good morning, Manula on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on, what are we on over there? Instagram and YouTube. So let me repeat this. Y'all need to write this one down. Write this down. This is going to be a free upgrade to tier 3 signals. You'll have little to no drawdown for your weekly, daily, and your daily 4-hour trades. Your weekly and your daily trades. The 30-minute entry, especially to the blue line. Am I clear, sevens? Am I clear that this 30-minute to the blue line trade after your weekly or your daily forms that 1-2 punch on the left on the sniper is fire? That entry is beyond fire. That entry is so fucking good. The first test I do for the robot that we're working on that will be ready in a year, not now, in a year, maybe 2. I'm going to perfect it. I'm not going to stop till I perfect it. But that trade right there is fucking money. I'm going to have it for sure coded for the NAS SPX US 30. When 2 out of the 3 of them already done it and the third one's going to do it, you might as well just fucking back up a Brinks truck, a demo money Brinks truck. Mr. C, thank you for being on TikTok and YouTube. Sevens, if you guys understand. On the left is the weekly chart. You wait for the blue line where I have the 1 at, the pink line to be where the 2's at. Then you go hunting. Hunting for what? You hunt for 30-minute buy stops in this case to the blue line. I'm telling you, Mr. C and Priscilla and Pelly, I'm telling you guys, this trade is going to be so much money for you guys that are paying attention and learning and listening. It's going to demo money only. It's going to be crazy. Abso-fucking-lutely crazy. Hope I'm clear. Okay. Why did my thing go off? Oh, didn't have it on. Okay. This trade, Guy Berger, J Flow, Pelly, Mr. C, Manula, this trade is going to change a lot of your lives. And this trade is going to be free. And I'm going to I've already asked Keith to separate it out. So when it is a 30-minute to the blue line buy after a weekly or daily, it's noticed. So everybody in tier 1 will get the notice, but on tier 3, you'll have a special notice on your own charts. What's up, Kev? Love your name too. Is this just for Forex or futures? Kev, it works on every symbol you can put it on for over 1,000 symbols on TradingView. So anything you want to work it on, it works on. We're looking at gold right now, by the way. So please understand that, everybody here. This is more of a training time, Kev H. Sorry about that. Um, but yeah, this will work on futures. This works on, oh my, we have so many people trade futures. Yeah, it works on Forex, it works on your indices, it works on your metals, it works on everything. This is a very, very specific trade, though. Yeah, and by the way, this would be a daily trade. This 30-minute would end in a day. When this 30-minute buy stop is called, it'll be a daily trade with very little drawdown. Good morning, Guerrilliano. Good morning. All right. So we've gone over a lot this morning. Very comfortable. I like these Saturday or Sundays when I have time to do them for you guys because it's very simple, very slow paced. I'm calling out all. I've already called out US30 for open later today. I've already called out NAS for open later today. I've already called out SPX for open later today. I've already called out gold for open later today. I've already called out US oil and UK oil for open later today. I've already called out EUR USD for open later today. I've already called out GBP JPY for open later today. So if you haven't heard those call outs, you might want to go ahead and go back and rewatch the beginning of the show. And now I went over what's coming up and all our different things that we have coming up. Plus, I also taught you how to trade from the raw chart on the way up and what to look for. We're currently looking on the free upgrade to tier 3 signals, way better entries to the weekly, daily, and the daily 4-hour demo signals. Because don't forget, let me be clear on this. The weekly, daily signals, this is the results right here. I did a whole video on it. Tier 3 signal results. One open trade, all the other trades, this is their profit. Amazon, $12 per share profit. Google, $4 per share profit over here. These are every signal called out from July, the beginning. GBP, JPY, 1,500 pips and open. You can play any 30-minute buy stop on any one of these symbols on here, and it will make you demo money. NAS, 2,800 pips and still running from the initial trade. Watch. Then there was a NAS later, 1,500. Then there was a NAS later, 1,500. You made over 5,800 pips on NAS alone. Ethereum is a loss now, but Ethereum is an open trade. It will win. SPX, 800 pips profit. GBP USD, 500 pips profit. US30, 3,500 pips profit. Yes, you're hearing all these right. These are tier 3 signal results. Gold, $350 an ounce profit. Google, $4 here, I already told you. USD CAD, 250 pips profit. That's the least amount of profit, by the way. NAS, 1,500 pips profit. SPX, 300 pips profit. Bitcoin, over $12,000 a coin. I only counted 10,000 because I underreport all these, by the way. $10,000 a coin from its call out. These are tier 3 signals in the Discord, unedited signals. No one can change a thing. When they were called out, it's all in stone. It's all in digital writing that can't be changed. Every one of those then produced these results. $10,000 a coin Bitcoin profit. NAS, 1,500 more pips profit. UK 100, over 100 pips, and it did it 3 times, by the way. And I think it's still doing it. I have to check it, but I think it's going to do it again. Pips profit. This is the video where I document every trade, how you would have entered it. You can rewatch this at your leisure. Every one of those trades are 100% called out by the signal service. All of these trades have been called out since July. All of them profitable. What you guys had a problem with was, oh, there's a drawdown here. There's a drawdown there. Give me the fucking break with fucking worried about fucking drawdown. But let's go ahead and just say that I've cleared that up with you. I made it now so those same signals that always produce money actually are flawless entries with a 30-minute. So now I'm just going to add a 30-minute on it. That's all. Okay. I hope I answered your question, Kev H. And good morning to everybody else. All right. Sorry, messaging my wife at the moment. All right. Doot, 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 doot. So, where were we? So this is the this upgrade will be happening in December for all of you. This will be free upgrade from my beautiful wife Bree and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer. All right. So we're all good on that. Sevens, if you understand that the sniper rifle will be released in July. I'm sorry, in January. Sevens, if you understand the H&H scanner release is happening starting Monday. It'll be finished November the 8th. Sevens, if you understand this tier 3 better entry that's coming will be done in December. Okay, Kev, connect to Facebook. Yeah, whatever. We need to make sure. Send. Words. Okay. Guy Burger, J Flow, Jones 808. Cool. Doop, 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 doop. All right. Let me get rid of all this then. Boop. A lot of moving around I do, huh? There we go. Okay. All right. 30-minute to the blue line signals from weekly to daily for the 5th time are extremely important and accurate. I found them to be one of the most reliable trades I've ever seen, to be clear. You're welcome, Manuela. All right. Does anybody have any questions over any of that? Any concerns or comments over that? Anyone have anything at all over that? Why do they keep ending? Is there a limit on Instagram? It's so weird to me because I'm not going to keep fucking flipping it on and off. I'm not going to keep doing it. It's got to stay on. That's all I'm going to say. They're so weird. It's like every hour or something they're killing it. I don't know what Instagram's live feeds limits are, but I wish someone knew Instagram. No one of you guys use Instagram out there? All right. No questions from anybody on TikTok. No questions from anybody on Instagram. No questions from anybody on YouTube. No questions from anybody on Twitch. Please speak up now. Do you have trades that bit you in the ass that went the wrong way that you couldn't figure out? Ask now. Did you have a trade go against you? You thought you were trading a sell on a 3-minute and it was really a buy on a 1 hour. Speak up now. Ask now. I'll need to know your exact time of your trade and the UTC plus 3 time of the trade and the exact symbol, but we can walk you through it and tell you what you did wrong. Anybody have any symbols they want me to look at? Speak up now. Anybody have any questions over this live? Speak up now. I'm here all the time. I'm always on trying to help you all. How about this? Anybody really happy with the system? Speak up now. How about that? Anybody really happy? Speak up now. I think we'll get a few more of those. You can buy the system at thesafetytrade.com. Right here, you go to it, $575 for the year, $250 a month for the sniper add-on if you want it. It's totally optional. You don't need it. The system works flawlessly without it. The system is made for beginners. It's color coded and extremely simple to understand. I went over AUD USD already. but we can do it again. Or did I go over here? Okay, I'll do it. Guy Burger says happy. All right, let's go back. Let's go to AUD USD and we'll take a look at it. Sure, why not? I think we already did it, but if we didn't, here we go. All right. AUD USD. This is going to be fun. Buy stop to the weekly blue to the daily blue line ricochet. Buy stop. Weekly, daily buy stop. Let me turn this off right here. What are we looking at right here? This is what I'm looking at. I'd put your buy stop line. Let me see if I can get you a good entry right here. Yeah, right where I have it. Right here off the yellow EMA. AUD, USD, not a financial advisor, demo trade only, 0.66787. Buy stop. Now, weekly, daily buy stop to the blue line ricochet. Hey, you know what? Let me see something. Let's turn on our sniper rifle. Yep, there it is. Sniper rifle to the rescue. And this is the last time, by the way, the sniper rifle leaves every trade it's ever called, just so we're clear. It was a daily buy stop to the blue line. It called it out here. You would have made, if you'd have listened to the entry right here, you would have made a buy stop of 280 pips. So over 250 pips from the last time it called it out. It is now calling it out live, buy stop right here. You can clearly see the buy stop is called. Safety trade buy daily. This is what it's looking at, all of this, and it sees the same thing I do. So there you go. And by the way, it's calling it out lower than I am. So it's actually better than me, even though it is me. Kind of funny. Happy, says Guy Burger. Hip, hip, hooray. Very happy. Thank you. Good morning, Tony. It's a good one. You might want to rewatch this. Thank you, Mr. C. Ecstatic, says Kevin Alderman. Mr. C. Barrel says, thank you guys for speaking up. All right. But yeah, this is called the sniper rifles calling for a daily buy, and it's correct. I'm calling for a daily buy. AUD USD buy stop to the blue line ricochet. Play any buy stop you can find from the 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 7 hour, 12 hour daily. Okay. So what does that mean? Well, we're going to look for buy stops. Well, how do we find buy stops? Let me shrink this back down over here. Let's go over to here. We already know that there's a 12-hour buy stop, right? Here's some cells. This is what makes it up. There's a 30-minute cell. Let's see where this is going. To the 2-hour. Oh, let me turn this off. There we go. To the 4-hour. Already hit it. To the 7-hour. All right. About ready to flip too, by the way. It's about to turn up. All right. So 1 minute, 1 second buy to the 5-second blue line. It's going to ricochet back up right here. AUD USD. It's going to go to the 10-second blue line. Buy stop. 1 second, 5-second, 10-second buy stop. To the 15-second blue line. Then a 1 minute, 3-minute sell. Let that finish out. Then 15-minute, too late. 1 hour, it's already formed. 4-hour, still going down. It's got to finish that 4-hour sell. Okay. And then, like I said, daily, weekly buy. Yep. That's exactly what it's going to do. Matua, thank you. You're welcome, Matua. All right. So play any buy stop you can on XRP. Let me see Ethereum really quick, 12-hour before we go crazy with that. Yep. Damn, that 12-hour. Ethereum went right back down to the 12. It's got to do it. When you see it, it's got to do it. 12-hour sell to the blue line that I called out live multiple times. Here's the first time it did it. It made money. Second time it did it. It made money. I bet you Larry's all over that shit. Daily. 12-hour daily sell Ethereum. Weekly buy Ethereum. Still like the weekly buy. Still like the 3 weekly buy. Still like the buy Ethereum. Love it, actually, to be clear. Bitcoin. Ooh, see, this is only a 4-hour. Bitcoin, 4-hour buy. Bitcoin, 12-hour buy. Bitcoin, daily buy. Bitcoin, weekly buy. Bitcoin, 3 weekly buy. Bitcoin, I called out Bitcoin at 56,000. The actual signal servers called it at 54,000, just so we're clear. Can you imagine? I fucking have the coded thing better than me. Kind of funny, actually. Zippity doo dah. $13,000 a coin you'd have made off this call I made live. Go back to 9/8 YouTube video, watch it. You'll see me write this out, type this out, and draw this line. Still calling for it. Buy Bitcoin. I'm saying Bitcoin's going to go up over 70,000. Whatever this fucking high was, it's going higher than it. 73, was that what it hit? It hit actually that high? I didn't know it hit that high. It's going over that. Period. It is. I'd play any buy stop you can on Bitcoin until the weekly pink line comes back up to this orange line. That's what I would do. This is your safety trade. Let me be clear on what you're seeing with Bitcoin. This right here is your buy stop. Just like this. This was your buy stop. This is the safety trade. This is your buy stop. This is your safety trade. You're looking at the 3-week chart. Let me be clear on this. This should go down and fill in the gap. There needs to be a little more further pullback. But what you're going to see is that Bitcoin will go up here. Let me be 100% clear on this. You're going to see this come up like this. And then you're going to see price action do this like that. And that's what you're going to see on Bitcoin. The last time I was willing to call out Bitcoin, I called out Bitcoin. I put it on my YouTube channel, March the 8th of 2023. I called the buy to over 70,000 when it was at 26,500. That's the last time I called a buy. This is your safety trade forming on Bitcoin. It's going to take a little longer, but when it goes, it's going to go. Trust me on that. Let it do its thing. And this is going to be your safety trade now. The first one's a buy stop. The second one's your safety trade. All right. And that's Bitcoin. Take any buy stop you can find on Amazon. Let me be clear. Take any buy stop you can find on Amazon until this 3-week pink line goes up to this blue line. Take any buy stop you can find for the near future till this pink line goes to this blue line on Amazon. Costco. Nope, don't like it. It was weekly. Yep, there's your weekly. Costco. Take any buy stop you can find. Let me be clear on Costco. Till this pink line goes to the blue line and this fills in the gap right here. I love this trade. Buy stop, Costco, daily, weekly. But you can play a 5-minute buy, a 10-minute buy, or what's the best one that you should take when this weekly is low like this? I just taught you this a little bit ago. What's the best time frame? What's the best time frame to take a buy stop on? What's the best time frame to take a buy stop on? Anyone at all? Anyone listening? Anyone still awake? Anyone learning? Anyone paying attention? Anyone? What is the best time frame to take this weekly from here to here up? Here to here, here to here, here to here. What is it? It's not a rhetorical question. All of you are so. Thank you, Mr. C and Mike Jones. Mr. C, 30-minute. Mike Jones, 30-minute. Correctamundo. There you go. Pelly says 30 minutes. That's your best one. Look for a buy stop on 30-minute charts for Costco. Also look for 30-minute buy stops on Amazon. Also look for 30-minute buy stops on Bitcoin. Also look for 30-minute buy stops on Ethereum and XRP. Also look for 30-minute buy stops on USD CAD and AUD USD. Also for GBP JPY. Also for EUR USD. Also for gold and SPX and NAS and US 30. Hope I'm clear on that. All right. I think I'm done. So if there is any questions, I'm already off Instagram. Good. Is there any questions for anybody on TikTok before I go? I'm going to go off TikTok first. Any questions on TikTok? Who do we got over there? 6 people? Oh, well, not many, but that's okay. I love the way this TikTok's set up. I love the way this TikTok is set up. All right. We've been on for 2 hours and 19 minutes. Goodbye, TikTokers. I might even be on later today. We'll see. Have a great day and make some great memories. Enjoy yourselves. God bless. Talk to y'all later. YouTubers, any questions before I go on YouTube? Any questions before I go on YouTube? Nice. All right. Where's my YouTube at? There it is. Okay. Thank you, Pelly. God bless you too. God bless you too, Mr. C. Thank you, Mutua, aka JC2. Oh, I'll just call you JC then. JC2. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, God bless you all. Have a great, wonderful rest of your Sunday here. Take care.